Baking a spiral ham does not have to be only for a holiday. I like to make a spiral ham to have around the house so we have things to pick on. This is a half spiral ham. Throw this stuff away. This powdered glaze that comes with it. Throw that out. There are just so many glazes you can put on top. Seriously, get rid of this. Let your ham come to room temperature for about an hour before you cook it. So we're going to put some water in the bottom of this, and we're going to put a piece of foil over that. We're going to tent the whole thing with foil, and we're going to pop it in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes per pound. About 30 minutes before your ham is finished, take the foil off, and for the last 30 minutes, brush on the glaze, and your ham is done. It's so easy. Okay, so I'm going to put about 2 cups of water in the bottom of this. We want to keep this from drying out. There's nothing worse than a dried out ham. All right, open this up, take that plastic piece off. This little plastic piece needs to be removed. Don't leave it on there. Okay. Okay, can you see that? This ham is 8.5 pounds. So if I cook it for 10 minutes per pound, that's 85 minutes. If I cook it for 12 minutes per pound, that's 102 minutes. So here's my homemade glaze. I've got a half a cup of orange marmalade, a quarter cup of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of grainy Dijon mustard, and an 1/8 of a teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And I crush that up a little bit more just to release the flavor. So I'm just going to mix this up together. The ham has been in the oven for 75 minutes. Take it out and take the foil off and put the glaze right on it. Look how juicy and delicious that is. Okay, now just spread the glaze right on it. You can get some right inside those slices. If you spread up, you'll get a little bit in between those slices there. Pop this back in the oven for 10 more minutes. Then I'm going to take it out and put a little bit more glaze on it. I'm going to put a little bit right on the top here too. Crisp that whole thing right up. Okay, that's been 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put some more on. Same thing. Wow, just look at the color of that. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to put the last of the glaze on. And then one more time in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Back into the oven we go. That's all there is to it. That smells so amazing. Now just let this set up for 15 minutes before you carve it. And you're done. So simple. Enjoy.